Microprocessors ELEG 3073-PO1 Project 1 Peripheral Interface Controller by James Wellington, Brayshawn Johnson-Jackson, and Chris Ayala. Introduction. Peripheral Interface Controller or PIC microcontrollers were first made by General Instrument under the brand name PIC Micro. The principal expansion was Programmable Intelligent Computer before it became Peripheral Interface Controller. PIC microcontrollers created an omnipresence with microchip technology, introducing more affordable PIC microcontrollers with EEPROM. As like ordinary microcontrollers, the PIC chip moreover combines a microchip unit called CPU and is consolidated with various sorts of memory modules, input and output ports, tickers and counters, correspondent ports, and etc. Introduction continued. The underlying sections of the family were available in 1976. By 2013, the association had conveyed a surplus of 12 billion individual parts used as a piece of a wide collection of installed structures. In 2000, Microchip introduced the PIC-18 structure, not in any manner like the 17's game plan. It has ended up being amazingly notable with a generous number of device varieties before long in manufacture. Architecture. All of the PIC microcontroller family uses a Harvard architecture, which has the program and data found in separate locations, so the machine has a program memory transport and a data memory transport. This upgrades the transmission limit progressively standard von Neumann architecture where program and data are taken from the proportional memory. Separating the program and data memory allows the user to simultaneously access data and run a program. Architecture. PIC Harvard architecture. This is a block diagram of PIC Harvard architecture. The PIC microcontroller is composed of input and output ports, memory organization, analog and digital converters, interrupts, CPU, serial communication, timers and counters, oscillator, and CCP module. Application. Microcontrollers are utilized in frameworks running from the easiest adding machine to modern military applications. 5 billion microcontrollers are added in excess to items yearly. The original chip was presented in 1971. A white-collar class family can have roughly 50 inserted microcontrollers, alongside advanced mobile phones, iPads, workstations, as well as PC. That number might arrive at 70 plus inserted smaller scale controllers. In your home, microcontrollers are utilized in microwaves, washers, dryers, fridges, security frameworks, and music and video diversion parts. PC microcontrollers might be the most striking or commonly known. However, they only account for 6% of the microcontrollers showcase. Methodology leading to the advanced microcontroller/microprocessor techniques. Primarily, microcontrollers are utilized in applications requiring dreary tasks, for example, running the traffic light at convergence, including peripherals, computer games, sound frill, and so forth. Right now, the microcontroller's sole capacity is to turn lights on and off at prearranged occasions. The principal aim of this undertaking is to analyze vehicles driving on expressways to turn on street lights a block in front of it, and furthermore switch off those street lights to conserve energy. In this venture, a PIC microcontroller is created by utilizing a lower-level computing construct or embedded C. Block diagram of street light that glows with vehicle movement. The main objective of this project is to analyze the motion of automobiles on freeways to switch on a block of traffic lights ahead of it, and also switch off the traffic lights to preserve energy. The power supply gives the power to the entire circuit by stepping down, rectifying, filtering, and regulating AC main supply. When the freeway is empty, all of the stoplights will turn off so that energy can be preserved. The IR sensors are placed along the street to detect vehicular motion. When cars are traveling on the road, the IR sensor senses vehicle motion instantly and forwards the information to the PIC microcontroller to turn on or off the LEDs. Many LEDs will be turned on when a car comes close to the sensor. Once the car passes, the intensity will become lower, then the LED will switch off. How the applications influence the microcontroller/microprocessor industry. PIC microcontrollers are the universe's smallest microcontroller that can be altered to finish an immense extent of assignments. These microcontrollers are found in various electronic contraptions, for instance, gadgets such as telephones, PC control frameworks, caution frameworks, installed frameworks, etc. PIC microcontrollers have 4 clock/counters, wherein the one 8-piece clock and the remainder of the timekeepers have the choice to pick 8 or 16-piece mode. Tickers are used for delivering precision exercises, for example, making specific time delays between 2 undertakings. Various types of microcontrollers exist, and PIC microcontrollers will be increasingly used later on, while innovation turns out to be increasingly modern. Conclusion. And overall, microcontrollers have various commendable advantages. As expressed before, microcontrollers are truly implanted in our regular day-to-day existence. They impact the manner in which we work, play, banter with our loved ones, and different parts of our lives. These brilliant creations permit our general public to keep on pushing the limits of tomorrow. This concludes our presentation. Thank you for watching.